My name is Abhijeet Saikia and I work as the Director for the Interconnectors business at SSE Enterprise. Our group's objective is to provide the energy needed today, while also creating a better world of energy for the future. We believe that interconnectors will play a crucial role in the energy sector towards achieving net zero targets. At the third annual conference on submarine cables and interconnections, I am going to speak about the significance of interconnectors in achieving net zero targets and the need for collaboration between regulators, developers and manufacturers. Please join me at the conference on November 14th and 15th at Berlin. Thank you and I'm looking forward to seeing you there.